and welcome back to Adventures in the Schoolhouse. I hope you enjoyed our letter C for carrot study last week. And this week we have a brand new letter for you. The letter O is for octopus. We are so excited to dive into this lesson with you. The students are coming and we are going to get to read, research, and write all about these amazing sea creatures. And for an extra amazing sensory experience, the students are going to get to touch a real octopus. We are going to dip the tentacles in paint and then make impressions on cardstock so they can take their little octopus home with them. And they're just gonna have quite the sensory experience with these slimy tentacles, and we're pretty excited. Okay guys, so this week we have our letter O. O is for octopus, and we've created this awesome little cross-curricular lesson for you in reading, writing, language arts, and science. So our little learners get to be scientists. We are going to do a fun read aloud, so be sure to check out our read aloud video so you can get all your background knowledge on octopus at www.adventuresintheschoolhouse.com. And we are going to read all about these amazing mollusks, soft-bodied sea creatures that live at the bottom of the ocean, their 8 arms, their tentacles, and some of their secret weapons and how they avoid predators. They're pretty amazing creatures. So with 3 hearts and 9 brains, the students will have a lot to write about. O is for octopus, right guys? O is for octopus. I'm going to read it to you to give you some background knowledge about all the awesome fun facts of octopus. And then we're going to, in our packets, this is a curated little lesson plan that I made just for you with our O for octopus. So inside here is all kinds of fun facts about octopus. So we've got some text on the first page, and we're going to pull out facts from the text. And then we're going to use this to do our KWL chart, and for us to fill in some of these bubbles and answer questions, right? All right, guys, so we just got done reading all about octopus. Please check out our read aloud video on our website at www.adventuresintheschoolhouse.com if you haven't already. And students are going to get to tell us what their favorite fun facts about these amazing sea creatures are. Yes, Stevie.
Blue octopus is poisonous.
The blue-ringed octopus is poisonous. Fun fact, every single octopus is venomous. So each one has venom, right, Tony?
The blue-ringed octopus is the only one that's deadly.
Amazing. So that's the only one that's deadly. So if it touches you, you can die, right?
And a baby octopus is the size of a flea.
Oh, yes. Guess what, guys? Did you get that?
Yeah.
A baby octopus is not only the size of you said the size of a flea?
Yeah.
I read that a baby octopus is the size of a pea. Has anybody had a little green pea for dinner?
Another fact about octopuses is that they can change their shape and color to, like, if there was like a school of lionfish, it could change its shape and color to be like the color of a lionfish and the shape of a lionfish so that it could get away.
Wow, can you believe that? So what do you taste your food with, boys and girls?
My tongue.
Your tongue, your mouth, right?
Taste buds.
But they taste their food through their suction cups. And they use their beak. They have a beak like a bird.
Yeah.
And they use their beak to crack open the clams and the oysters and the mussels. Yep.
They're kind of like underwater chameleons.
I love that. That is an awesome connection.
Yeah.
They can actually detach one of their arms, right, Sydney?
Yeah.
And it's still wiggling, right, because it's alive. And to distract the predator, and the shark will go after the arm, and then he'll go get away, right? He'll swim away. All right, kids, now we get to finally have a hands-on experience with the sea creatures we just learned so much about.
Go get a mouse.
So who would like to hold?
Me first, not first.
Now, who wants to touch just the tentacles?
Me.
The suction cups. Okay, we're
I'm
coming
touching
around.
the baby suction cups.
What's it feel like? Can you tell us?
I'm smelling this.
Okay, friends, let's hear what he's saying. It feels like what, sweetheart?
Smooth and a bit bumpy.
Bumpy, smooth, and bumpy at the same time.
Like smooth rock. I'm not holding it with the mouth.
She's brave.
I'm not brave. It's disgusting.
Okay, what do you guys think of it?
Oh my god. It's so weird.
I like the smell.
You do? It sounds like you're going fishing, right?
Oh.
What do you think?
Smells weird.
Feels a little weird.
I want to feel it again.
It's cool. Yeah, it's bumpy. And what does it feel like? The octopus tentacles.
Squishy and wet.
Squishy and a little wet and whoa. What does it feel like, Remy?
It feels
When you
like
touch
it's wet and it's not that smelly.
No? Oh,
No.
good. Okay, good.
Like fish.
It definitely smells like fish because it comes from the ocean. What do you think, Mason?
It feels like a snake.
It feels like a snake a little bit? That is so cool. Look at those tentacles.
I can see the blue
Whoa.
blood actually.
Yep, very cool. Now let's pass it. Let's Gage, what did you think it felt like?
It's slimy and weird.
It's a little slimy and a little weird. But hey, it's kind of fun to be a scientist, right? Brady, what did you think it felt like?
Felt like
Don't do it.
A little slimy?
weird and smelly.
Slimy, weird.
What about rubbery? What about
Slimy, weird, smelly, rubbery, so smelly. I feel like I could pass out right now.
Thank you guys for joining us on our awesome octopus adventure. And if you haven't gotten enough octopus, be sure to check out our craft video so you can make a real octopus at home out of a paper plate and some paper. And be sure to tune in for next week's letter of the week and lesson. And be certain to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. Come join our adventure in the Little Red Schoolhouse.